Magandang araw mga bunso. So ngayong araw ay pag-aaralan naman natin ang division of rational algebraic expression. Halika't pag-aralan ang ating lesson ngayon. Bago ang lahat, i-review natin ang division of fraction. Sa pag-solve ng division of fraction, if we have the given a over b divided by c over d, kailangan natin kunin ang reciprocal ng divisor. Ito ang ating divisor. Sa pagkuha ng reciprocal ng divisor, pinagpapalit natin yung pwesto ng numerator at denominator. From c over d, it will become b over c. At kung mapapansin ninyo, kapag kinuha natin ang reciprocal ng divisor, from division, it will become multiplication. And then afterwards, we are going to multiply numerators and denominators, na kung saan i-apply naman natin yung multiplication of fraction. Tandaan natin, kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng fractions, we multiply numerators and denominators, and then afterwards, we need to simplify our answer. At narito naman ang mga steps na dapat nating sundin kapag tayo ay mag-divide ng rational algebraic expression. Una, we need to get the reciprocal of the divisor, and then we need to proceed to multiplication of rational algebraic expression. And then afterwards, we need to factor out the given if necessary. Ang ibig sabihin nito, hindi pa rin natin dapat kalimutan si factoring polynomials. Pangatlo, we need to cancel the common factors. Tatandaan, we cancel common factors, not terms. And lastly, we need to multiply the remaining factors. Madali lang, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, kapag naintindihan nyo ang multiplication of rational algebraic expression, madali na lang itong division of rational algebraic expression. For better understanding, let's have these examples. Number 1, 8n raised to 5 over 3 divided by 2n squared over 9. So, unang step na dapat natin gawin is we need to get the reciprocal of the divisor and then proceed to multiplication of rational algebraic expression. So, we have here 8n raised to 5 over 3 times 9 over 2n squared. Afterwards, it's up to you if you are going to multiply the numerators and denominators first or you are going to use the cancellation method. From this, I will use cancellation method dahil ito ay madali para sa akin. 9 and 3 are both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Aside from that, 8 and 2 are also divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. N raised to 5 and n squared, it can be simplified. Mawawala na dito si n squared, maka-cancel na siya, i-considered as 1, and then ma-minusan natin si n raised to 5 ng 2. So 5 minus 2, it will become 3. Afterwards, we need to multiply the remaining factors. Kung wala na tayong pwedeng i-cancel. Okay, para hindi tayo malito, i-rewrite natin yung mga natirang factors. We have here 4n cubed over 1 multiplied by 3 over 1. 4n cubed multiplied by 3 is 12n cubed, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So we don't need to write 1 as the denominator of 12n cubed. Kuha nyo ba? Madali lang, di ba? Let's have another given. We have here 2x plus 8 over 3 divided by x plus 4 over 9. So ang gagawin ulit natin, get the reciprocal of our divisor. 2x plus 8 over 3 multiplied by 9 over x plus 4. Afterwards, we need to analyze the rational algebraic expression. If it is possible to factor out, we need to factor out using different factoring method. 2x plus 8. Pwede ba siyang gamitan ng factoring method? Yes, pwede pong gamitan ng factoring method gamit ang factoring polynomials with common monomial factor. Si 2x plus 8, ang common monomial factor ay 2. So, ilabas natin si 2. 2x divided by 2 is x, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, ang factor ng ating 2x plus 8 is 2 multiplied by x plus 4 over 3. Multiply by 9 over x plus 4. Bakit ko trinopyo na lang si 9x plus 4? Dahil wala ng factors si 9 at si x plus 4. After natin ma-factor out yung mga dapat i-factor out, we need to cancel common factors. So, kita agad natin dito na pwede natin i-cancel si x plus 4. Ano pa ang pwede natin i-cancel? si 9 at 3. Dahil para silang divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. After natin i-cancel yung mga dapat i-cancel, we are now ready to multiply the remaining factors. 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Therefore, the final answer is 6. Example number 3. X plus 1 over x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 over x minus 3. X plus 1 over x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 over x plus 1. Afterwards, i-check natin kung meron tayong pwedeng i-factor out. Kung wala nang pwedeng i-factor out, proceed tayo sa next na dapat gawin, which is cancel out the common factors. Ang pwedeng makancel dito ay si x plus 1. And then, multiply the remaining factors. 1 multiplied by x minus 3 is x minus 3. And x plus 2 multiplied by 1 is x plus 2. Therefore, the final answer is x minus 3 over x plus 2. For number 4, x plus 1 over x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1 over x squared minus 2x plus 1. We need to get the reciprocal of our divisors. X plus 1 over x squared minus 1 multiply by x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. Bago tayo mag-cancel ng ating common factors, just make sure na ma-factor out muna natin lahat ng mga dapat i-factor out. Just copy x plus 1 dahil hindi na siya kayang i-factor out. How about x squared minus 1? Anong factoring method ang pwede natin gamitin? Tama, pwede natin gamitin ng difference of two squares. So we have here x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. How about x squared minus 2x plus 1? Kaya ba siyang i-factor out? Pwede. Gamitan natin ng perfect square trinomial. Dahil may square root si first term at last term. Ang square root ng first term ay x at ang square root ng last term ay 1. And since the middle term is negative, so copyahin natin yung sign. So ito ang factor ng ating x squared minus 2x plus 1 over x plus 1. Then, i-cancel out na natin yung mga factors na pwede nating i-cancel. So, sino dito ang pwedeng i-cancel natin? Si x plus 1, si x minus 1. Kapag maka-cancel, isa sa numerator at isa sa denominator. Kung wala na tayong pwedeng i-cancel out, pwede na nating i-multiply yung ating mga remaining factors. 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1. Over 1 multiplied by x plus 1 is x plus 1. Therefore, the final answer is x minus 1 over x plus 1. Kaya-kaya, di ba? So, pahirapan natin. Let's have the last given. X over x squared minus 4x plus 4 divided by 2x squared plus x over x squared minus 4. Ang dapat gawin, get the reciprocal of the divisor. We have your x over x squared minus 4x plus 4 multiply by x squared minus 4 over 2x squared plus x. After getting the reciprocal of your divisor, pwede na tayong mag-factor out. Just copy x and then factor out x squared minus 4x plus 4 by using perfect square trinomial. Bakit? Dahil may square root si first term at si last term. Ang square root ng first term ay x at ang square root ng last term ay 2. We have your x minus 2 multiply by x minus 2. Paano naging minus? Dahil nagbase tayo sa sign ng ating middle term. Anong factoring method naman ang gagamitin natin sa x squared minus 4? Tama, gamitan natin ng difference of two squares. So we have your x plus 2 multiply by x minus 2. How about 2x squared plus x? Anong factoring method ang pwede natin gamitin? Tama na naman tayo. Pwede natin gamitan ng factoring polynomial with common monomial factor. 2x squared plus x. Ano ang common sa kanila? X. So, labas natin si x. 2x squared divided by x is 2x. X divided by x is 1. So, plus 1. Sino ang common sa kanila? X minus 2. Sino pa? Si x. Tanggalin si x. Hindi natin kailangan yan. Meron pa bang pwedeng i-cancel? Kung wala na, pwede na tayong mag-multiply ng remaining factors. 1 multiplied by x plus 2 is x plus 2. X minus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 1 is x minus 2 multiplied by the quantity of 2x plus 1. Therefore, ito na ang ating final answer. Diba? Walang mahirap kung kabisado nyo ang factoring polynomials. And for your activity, I want you to simplify the following items.
Mathematics requires practice, practice, and practice. Ako ulit si Kuya Win na nagpapaalala na learning math is easy and fun. Para patuloy na matutunan at maintindihan ang math, huwag kalimutang i-like, subscribe, at hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga lessons natin. I hope ay marami kang natutunan. Maraming salamat.